Cloves are magical, also good for hair growth, stimulating the hair follicles to promote hair growth. These three power ingredients are going to help you achieve whatever you want for your hair because it's super effective. Together with honey, which is going to improve moisture in the hair, and then I added also a tablespoon of olive oil, which is going to. Hey guys, welcome back to Princess TV. I'm Quinty, and here I make videos on natural hair, how to maintain a smooth growing natural hair. So if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button, click on the post notification bell so that each time I post a video, you will be the first to get notified. So today I will be showing you guys how to use fenugreek, black seed, and cloves to produce a concoction that's going to grow your hair effortlessly. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So the first thing is to get your ingredients set. So we're going to measure 2 tablespoons of fenugreek. So this is how fenugreek seeds look like. So we have 2 tablespoons of that, and then we also need to measure now black seeds. First of all, fenugreek are very good. It revives damaged hair, fights dandruff, controls scalp inflammation, and adds shine and soft texture to your hair. And we also need 2 tablespoons of black seeds. Black seed, on the other hand, actually prevents hair fall, soothes the hair scalp, and is very good in stimulating regrowth, and it also softens your hair. Cloves, on the other hand, contain high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and strength of your hair. They are also good in protecting the scalp from dandruff, which actually is a major cause of weak and thin hairs. So these three actually contain anti-inflammatory agents which further help in hair thickening. It helps to soften the hair and it helps to promote hair growth. You will never fail with these 3 ingredients, guys. So please watch carefully to see how I made this concoction. To maximize the effect of my cloves, I had to mash them before using them. So now we are going to use 3 cups of water and pour in all our ingredients together in the pot. So we have 3 cups of water for 2 cups of fenugreek seeds, 3 cups of water for 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, 2 tablespoons of black seeds, and half tablespoon of cloves. And that's what you need. So you just put everything in the water, in the 3 cups of water, and let it boil. Let it come to boil, and when it's completely boiled, you can now see how the water changes from clear to dark brown, and the fenugreek and the black seeds are softened such that when you press them, it scatters. So guys, that's exactly what you do, but it's very important. You can actually grind the cloves, but don't grind the fenugreek and the black seed. Just let it be like that because we are making a mild concoction that you're going to use every single day. And also at the end we are going to add other things, so keep watching. So now you're just going to get your sieve and beaker and drain the water away from the seeds, where we are going to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Olive oil actually reduces damage and breakage, adds moisture, shine and softness to the hair. Thereafter we're going to add 7 drops of tea tree oil. So diluting a little amount of tea tree oil actually helps to prevent buildup of chemicals and dead cells. This also keeps your hair healthy and moisturized, which can help it grow at its normal rate, and by so doing it actually prevents it from falling out and promotes hair growth. So gently mix all your ingredients in the measuring beaker or in a container or whatever you have. You are not entitled to use beaker. So you get your spraying bottle or the bottle that you have like this, but I would advise you use a spraying bottle since you're going to use this as a daily spray. You can easily spray this on your hair rather than using this bottle. So now go ahead, get your funnel and transfer your liquid into your bottle. Yeah, I'm using a funnel so that I can easily transfer that Of course, if you're an expert, you can just transfer it easily into your bottle. But the funnel is also free, so you can easily transfer that into your bottle, and that's it. So now you see it's still warm. It's still warm. So you need to allow the bottle open so that it gets cold down. But now we're going to add half half tablespoon of honey. Honey serves as antibacterial. It gives this liquid or this concoction antibacterial properties, and it also helps to increase moisture in your hair. So this is liquid I'm going to use for 7 days. Cloves also has antibacterial properties. Cloves are actually substances that can use to be placed in rice to, to keep them away from weevils, and also put them somewhere to keep them away from termites and something like that. So all of these ingredients in this mixture are very antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, so they will stay in good condition for a week. So guys, this is how it looks like. This is really a must have. So you're just going to apply this every single day. It's actually very mild, it's not so intensive, so you can use this every day for 7 days. And then say, let's for example, if you start this on Monday to Sunday, and then Monday to Saturday for example, and then you wash this either Saturday or Sunday, then you wash it off, and it's quite effective. Fenugreek has antibacterial properties as well, and also helps to promote hair growth. Black seed is also super rich with vitamins that help to promote hair growth. And not to forget cloves. Cloves are magical, also good for hair growth, stimulating the hair follicles to promote hair growth. These three power ingredients are going to help you achieve whatever you want for your hair, because it's super effective, together with honey, which is going to improve moisture in the hair. And then I added also a tablespoon of olive oil, which is going to increase shine and moisture in the hair. Guys, I always like to work in sections, so I'm just going to section my hair into 4 halves. Then once I'm done, I'll just twist them in, and then that's how it's going to be done. So you can use the spray bottle, you can use this for example, so just go ahead and just apply like that. So after that, you have to go ahead and apply your hair moisturizer. Here with me, I have this Cantu curling cream. Oh, it smells heavenly. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply my hair cream. So first your hairspray, and then apply your hair cream to keep your hair moisturized, and thereafter your hair oil to seal in the moisture. So basically what we just did, you spray that every day, but you don't need to apply hair cream every day. No, hair cream is during wash days, you know. Yeah, you apply your hair cream when you wash your hair. You don't apply hair cream every day. So but you have to spray your hair every day to keep your hair moisturized, avoid breakage, and to promote hair growth. So that's what you do during hair. So this is basically like a wash day. So yeah, today's Sunday, so I've washed my hair, and then I did my self-made hairspray which I applied on my hair. You all saw that. And now I'm applying the hair cream, and after that I'm going to apply my hair oil to seal in the moisture. So tomorrow again, Monday, I'm going to just spray my hair to keep my hair fresh, you know, with this self-made concoction, like this self-made hairspray. Your hair is happy. Baby girl, you have to do this. So this is my avocado hair oil. I'm going to apply that to seal in the moisture. So gently rub that on the hair. Gently, you know, just to seal in the moisture. You don't need to do this every day, but the hairspray is a must. Every day you have to spray your hair so that your hair doesn't break, it doesn't stay dry, it's not prone to breakage, it's not brittle, it stays fresh and moisturized, you know. That's why you need a water-based hairspray, not oil-based or cream-based or whatever. Water-based hairspray for every day. You don't apply cream on your hair every day. You're going to create build-ups, which is not good for your hair. That blocks the hair follicles and it doesn't promote hair growth. So hair cream is just like once a week during wash days. So basically this hairspray is like every day, and then during wash you wash it out on your wash day, which is probably a Saturday or a Sunday, and then you go ahead and apply your cream and then your oil to seal in the moisture. This is like a routine, so you don't have to apply cream every day. You're going to block your hair follicles. Not every day, please. So once that's done, you go ahead and twist, or you can do cornrows. It's very important to protect your hair, so we call that protective hairstyles. After applying your hair cream, you have to do a protective hairstyle. Avoid allowing your hair like that unless you're doing a hairstyle, unless you're styling out your hair, unless you're doing, I don't know, unless you're just doing like a wash and go to allow your hair because you're going out or something. But it's always advised to protect your hair with a twist in like this, or cornrows. Very important, very important. You know, maintaining a healthy growing hair is not just about what you put on your hair, but how do you protect your hair. How you protect your hair is also very important. It plays a vital role in promoting and maintaining a healthy growing hair, so we should be aware of that. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing all over. Cream, then oil to seal in the moisture. That's it. It's very, very, very easy. And once you develop a hair routine for your hair, it becomes really effortless. It becomes like a habit. You're like, oh God, have I applied cream on my hair? Oh, okay, do my wash, I know what to do now. I just have to go ahead, wash my hair, apply my hairspray, which is water based, then go ahead and apply your cream, which is cream based, and then your oil, which is oil based, to seal in the moisture. You're good to go. That's it, as simple as that. So guys, that's it. Everything has been done. So yep, thank you guys so much for watching to this point. If you've not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button, click on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a video you'll be the first to get notified. Thank you so much for watching to this point, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao. One more thing. Most of you might be wondering, oh, there are still white flakes there, but never mind. It goes off on its own after about 30 minutes or so. It goes off on its own. So yeah, all those white flakes you see here will disappear. That's why sometimes when you do this for wash and go, you just have to perhaps dry it up for some time, like just dry it up so that it goes off faster. But nevertheless, it goes off on its own, so never mind this. It's like a gluey. The white flakes in my hair is going to go off, guys. So thank you so much for watching.